Hi guys, so I know my face is the best, as in I was supposed to go to the salon today to take off my braids, but I decided to do it by myself and show you guys how I usually do it by myself. And it takes a while, so it takes longer than when you go to the salon. But then if you're trying to save money, because as a mom I'm always looking for ways to save money, even when I feel like there's some things that are really important to me. Like for me, buying clothes are more important than paying someone to take off my braids. So that's how I prioritize it. Except maybe I'm in a hurry or I have somewhere to go to, like I will now pay for it. So I'm going to show you guys how I take out my braids. And if you're following me on Instagram, you already know about this hair bonnet. It's by Slaybox um on Instagram, and you can check them out. They have hair bonnets for mother and daughter. So I have this with my daughter Gina. Yeah, so without wasting much of your time, keep watching. So guys, the two things I usually use when taking off my braids are scissors and this single tooth comb. So you can just use anything you if you have pen, if you have whatever you have, just use, because sometimes I even use pen, sometimes I use broom. So I've taken up my hairnet, which if you're in Nigeria you already know hairnet since. So I'm just removing this hair. I carried it for like 3 weeks. This hair is 3 weeks old. I wanted to leave it till the weekend, but I'm tired of the hair. Like, it's old. So there's nothing, I can't even mind. I don't want to be managing, instead let me do my normal packing than to be carrying an old hair, yeah, hairstyle. So I'm just removing all the clips on it. Guys, I bought this as gold. Can you see? Don't know if you can see. And this is what it came out as, silver. So I think I've removed them. So you can see the hair is really low. I have to cut it, but then I don't cut it short. My hair isn't this long now. I don't know. So I've cut off more than half of the braids. So I'm just going to take my hairband, rubber band, and I'm going to start separating the hair. And meanwhile, there's a sew in, so I'm going to just cut that off. So I'm going to just take, I do this in batches. I don't rush when doing this. I take my time. So now I'm starting from the last one, okay, and I'm just going to start losing. So let me check the time. So I'll tell, this is 3:49. This is about 3:49. So I'm going to start checking the time. So I'll tell you guys how long it took me to do this hair. So what I do whenever I take off my braids is I don't just leave it like this, or I don't use any rubber band to do anything. I just twist it. This is to help with tangling. In my mind, it's just my own way of doing it. I always do this whenever I take off hair. I just twist it to prevent tangling. So what I'm doing right now is I've done the second one, and I'm going back to take out the first one, just because I want it to be in big chunks. So I'm just going back to take them out. And you don't do it, it's not, you're not that, as in, I don't even know how to explain it, but you don't need to be dramatic about the twist. It's just something to just help with tangling. And meanwhile, you always have to use your hands to detangle your hair. Leave comb right now. Comb is not really like big tooth comb, whatever comb is not really important. So that's what I'm going to do, because I want it to be in big chunks. So I'm going to retwist it again. So guys, I'm done with that part of the first part I removed. You can see I did it in big chunks, nothing too this dish, like I always say. So I'm going to be doing this, at least half of this one and the remaining, and I'll be back, guys. So guys, you can see I'm almost done. This is like the last one, and it's not easy. It's not it's not an easy something, but it's something we can do. So I'm just going to put everything together. So guys, this is it. So I started doing it by 3:49 and it's almost 5:37. So I'm not a mathematician, so I don't know the difference, but I think I've spent almost an hour plus or 2 hours loosening this hair, and it was a bit tiny. I think maybe I'm very quick with things. That's one of the things that you have to know. So if you're the kind of person that is kind of slow, then you have to buckle up so that it won't look like stress. Then some of my tips I used to loosen my hair and not get like tired or get upset with the loosening of the hair is that I always try to watch my favorite TV shows or YouTube shows, whatever I just enjoy doing. Then just make sure everything is within your reach so that you won't have to be going up and down. They also recommend that whenever you want to loosen your hair, don't have your bath like before loosening your hair. It's just a personal preference. I feel like because you're still going to dirty yourself, so why not just chill after taking off your braids or whatever, then you cannot have you can have a proper bath. Then I'm transitioning. Actually, some people know, some of you don't know, I'm transitioning. So I'm going to be doing my first cut on this hair. I'm going to do my first trim, sorry, on this hair. So I just hope that goes well. I've never really done it before on myself, so I'm going to really like do my research. And if you know anything that can help me, please let me know so I will not just scatter my hair, this small hair that God has given to me. And I said transitioning because my natural hair is naturally soft, so whenever I relax my hair is kind of very light. When I saw my coils for the first time, I was like, damn, and I've been wasting my time relaxing my hair. I'm the kind of person that really love coils, even though I also love straight hair. I just love everything. That's basically my own like tips on hair, wherever. I hope you found this video very helpful, like for those that want to loosen their hair at home. This saves you money, saves you going out, money for the loosening, money for the transport or fuel for your car and all those expenses. But if you can do it, though, please go and do it. Don't say like I said. And I love you guys for watching. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Click on that bell button to always notify you when I post a new video, and let me know the kind of videos you would like to see. I just want to be posting videos right now. I'm making everybody like very happy. I love you guys so much for watching, and thanks so much for always being there. Like I always say, I love you. Bye. Hey guys.